Your Excellency, the former governor of Central Bank, Governor, I talked about how we should upgrade the informal sector. I wish that I would be directly participating in the discourse. I would have said, in upgrading the informal sector too, no city can grow without planning. The mere fact that you migrate from the rural area down to the city or where you want to have something to do does not mean that we jettison the rules and regulations. And so when you see bulldozers coming, is to comply with the rules and regulations. Some of these cities you are talking about shanties. You can't build houses without development plan. Nobody does that. Sometimes criminals will take advantage and take over this, and then what you hear for a survivor, nobody can survive without obeying the law. Anyway, that's a matter of different thing. So, but just to say, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, let me thank you. First of all, let me start by thanking the Group Managing Director of Abuja Investment Company. Just like my sister said, it's one thing to appoint you into a position. It's another thing to make use of that to showcase the potentials in you. Office does not make anybody. It's you that make what your office will be. I'm sure she's not the first Group Managing Director of Abuja Investment Company, but she has taught it well that, look, we can continue to just not sell Abuja. Let people know the potentials in Abuja. Come, Abuja is a safe place. Come, there are a lot of things you can do with Abuja, in Abuja, collaborating with Abuja Investment Company. With the video she showed us, everybody will be happy to come and invest. And I think that this is the sole aim of why we are here. I will sincerely thank the development partners, even though I still have some problems with them. In fact, when I went to the Kubo International Market, of course, you wouldn't like it, but again, sometimes these partners are just a way to have advantage over the people. I saw the memo that she brought to me about acquisition of more land, and I said to her, the one they have acquired, where is that position? The partner takes 80% or 90%, and you want government to take 10%, while I will provide the infrastructure. I said that kind of arrangement is one-sided. So these are things I said, stop, don't acquire. Let's talk on this one that we have already agreed. Let's see how that, investors will always tell you they are putting in money, but they forget the fact that too, government is putting in the infrastructure. Somebody wants to develop in Wasa. Government awarded a contract about 98 billion of roads. And during the agreement they reached with the FCT or the FCT, what the person will be doing to build and sell, what is the share for the government? After putting 98 billion to provide for them, and then bringing out the land, the investor is to build and sell, according to them, to the poor people. Who is the poor people person? Who defines it? So these are are the kind of things too that government will look at and say, look, how can I put in this kind of money and bring in the land? At the end of the day, government will not make a dime. I said, cancel. This is fraud. As a council, this is a fraud. This is not the kind of investment or partnership we are looking. It's not. It's not the kind of partnership we are looking. When people say government is not to make money, who told you that? If government is not to make money, how do we have money to provide services? Government needs money. That's why government says pay your tax. It's very, very important. And so, while we provide an enabling environment, we also believe that we have to encourage you to make sure that you get what you're supposed to get and the government get what they're supposed to get. And that way, everybody will go home smiling. Well, it is an honor and privilege to be here today for the maiden edition of the Abuja Business and Investment Summit, organized by the Abuja Investment Company Limited. Permit me to begin by welcoming all of you to Abuja who have traveled across our beautiful country and beyond to attend this auspicious event. I'm aware that Abuja Business and Investment Summit is designed to showcase to our stakeholders and potential investors in Nigeria and worldwide the investment opportunities that are bound in the FCT. It's equally a platform to initiate collaborations to enhance economic growth, cultural exchange, and sustainable development. I therefore wish to commend the Group Managing Director of Abuja Investment Company Limited and her dedicated team for the initiative in organizing this summit, which exemplifies the administration's commitment to fostering an investment-friendly environment in the nation's capital. The theme, optimizing investments through partnership, resonates deeply with our vision for the Federal Capital Territory as a thriving hub for business and innovation. As we navigate the complexities of today's economic landscape, it is essential to recognize that the power of collaboration can significantly enhance our investment strategies. By forging strong partnerships, we not only pool resources, but also leverage diverse expertise and insights that drive innovation and efficiency. As we gather in this vibrant city, let us acknowledge the immense potential within the FCT. Abuja is not just the political capital of Nigeria, it's a place of opportunities waiting to be harnessed. Our unique position, strategic location, and growing population create a fertile ground for investment across various sectors, including real estate, technology, agriculture, healthcare, tourism, construction, mining, and renewable energy. The FCT administration has undertaken significant measures to create an enabling environment for local and foreign investors. We recognize that infrastructure is the backbone of any successful investment. That's why we have prioritized the development of roads, transportation networks, and utilities to ensure seamless connectivity within the territory. From bustling urban areas to our beautiful rural communities, we are committed to improving infrastructure to enhance accessibility and attract investments. In fact, we'll flag off the construction of 9 major projects next week, which will undoubtedly enhance investment opportunities across the territory. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are keenly aware that security is paramount in attracting investors. The safety of our investment is our top priority. We have made considerable strides in enhancing security measures across the FCT, collaborating with law enforcement agencies to ensure a secure environment for businesses to flourish. We believe a safe and secure environment is fundamental for successful investment, and we will continue reinforcing our efforts in this area. I want to emphasize that the FCT is open for business. We have streamlined our processes to make it easier for investors to set up and operate. The Abuja Investment Company Limited and the Abuja Enterprise Agency have facilitated partnerships and supported investors, ensuring you receive the necessary guidance at every step of the investment journey. Besides infrastructure security, we also focus on fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. We have launched several initiatives to empower small and medium-sized enterprises, which are the backbone of our economy. By providing access to funding, training, and resources, we aim to cultivate a robust ecosystem that encourages innovation and drives economic growth. I invite you to explore the myriad investment opportunities in the FCT. Whether you are interested in real estate development, technology incubation, or agro-business, there's a place for you in Abuja. As I wait the outcome of this summit, please let us work together to create value, generate jobs, and drive economic growth in the FCT, in line with Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda. Thank you for your valued attention, and may God bless you. Thank you. God bless you.